For this year is Nature, Our Future, which is a need of the hour. The theme insists that we are part of nature's cycle and not its owner. Nature is a divine energy, so we have got to treat the earth as sacred. The physical elements of nature, earth, water, fire, air, and ether are not inert matter, but manifestations of the divine separated material energy which transforms the relationship with the environment from one of the exploitation to one of reverence and care, acknowledging that damaging the planet is damaging the divine presence itself. Let us have an understanding of cosmic cycles of creation and dissolution, where all living beings have their origin in the same divine energies. It emphasizes humility and our role as characters, not owners of the earth's resources. We are active participants in nature's continuous transformation, subject to its law of growth and decay. This is just a reminder from our side that we will have to refill of whatever we have taken from the Mother Earth.
கேட்டேனும் வாழ்த்தடங்கள் மாதே வளருதியோ மண் செவியோ நின் செவிதான் மாதேவன் வாழ்த்தடங்கள் வாழ்த்திய வாழ்த்தொழி போய் மீதி கேட்டதுமே விண்மி விண்மி வெய் மறந்து போதாரமலின் என்றும் புரண்டிங்கன் மானாய் கிடந்தால் என்ன நீரே என் தோழி பரிசலோர் எம்பாவாய் நீரே என் தோழி பரிசலோர் எம்பாவாய் குனித்த புருவமும் கோவை செவ்வாயே சிரிப்பும் பவன சடையும் பவன கோலு பாதமும் காண பெற்றார் மனித பிறவியும் வேண்டுவதே எம் மாநிலத்தே மனித பிறவியும் வேண்டுவதே எம் மாநிலத்தே.
the presence of our correspondent, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for accepting the honor. And I request our principal, sir, to do honor to our correspondent, sir. I now request our principal, sir, to do honor to Mr. Ramesh.
A very pleasant and graceful evening to everyone gathered here. It is truly an honor for me to stand before you on this wonderful occasion for our annual day celebration. Today isn't just another date on the calendar, it is a day of celebration. This is annual day. Annual day is not just an event, it is a moment to reflect on our journey, to appreciate our present. First of all, on behalf of our entire school family, I extend my heartfelt welcome to our honorable chief guest and chairman, sir, Mr. Rajendra Prasad, sir, who is guiding light of our institution. A special and sincere welcome to our correspondent, sirs, Thiru Manikandan, sir, and Thiru Dinesh, sir, whose continuous support and encouragement help our school to grow stronger each year. I felt extremely grateful to have our principal, sir, who is an inspiration to all. Mr. Paul Francis Xavier, sir, principal of Jairam Public School. Dr. Palanisamy, sir, principal of Jairam Arts and Science College. Thank you, sirs. Your encouragement and constant support inspires us to aim higher and work harder. To our beloved teachers, thank you for shaping our minds, strengthening our character, and discovering our talents. And finally, my dear friends and fellow students, as we celebrate tonight, let us make one promise together. Wherever we go, whatever we become, we will carry the values that the school gave: responsibility, resilience, and respect. And I wish good luck to all the participants, and let us create memories that we will cherish forever. Once again, thank you for being part of this beautiful evening, and let us make this beautiful annual day a beautiful, memorable day. Thank you.
A pleasant evening to all of you. Respected Chairman, this is Gus, correspondent of Jairam School College, Principal of the Jairam School and College. Good evening to one and all. It's my privilege to present the annual report for the academic year 2025-26, highlighting the various achievements and activities of our institution. At the outset, we express our heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty for His abundant blessings and guidance in our pursuit of excellence in education. The academic year 2025-26 has been a remarkable journey, though we are in halfway through, filled with numerous achievements, memorable moments. It has been a period marked by significant events made possible by the collective efforts and cooperation of Jairam family, our management, staff and students. Expansion and growth. In response to parents' demand, our management proudly introduced the primary section comprising of classes 1 to 4 in the previous academic year. In the current year, the primary section was extended with standard 5th. The arrival of the young students has brought fresh wave of energy, enthusiasm, excitement to our campus. Faculty additions. We welcome our family members, new family members, Mrs. Lalita, Mrs. Deepa, who pioneered our primary section. Additionally, Mrs. Rubini Devi, Mrs. Paswati Devi, Mrs. Gomadi, Ms. Noble Mary, Mrs. Soumya, Ms. Jayaprakash, Mr. Hariharan, and Mr. Gopinath have joined our faculty. Holistic education. Our school remains committed to providing holistic education through pleasurable learning, fostering academic excellence and personality growth. Academic achievements. We celebrate our outstanding results in standard 12th and 10th public examination. Yes, Roshini Roshini's impressive score of 584 out of 600 in the 12th exam made Jairam proud. We also achieved 2 centums in accountancy in 12th standard. In standard 10, Siddharth Raghav topped with 488 out of 500. There are 2 centums in social science. Many of our students have secured merit-based admissions in reputed engineering colleges. Honoring excellence. We take great pride in acknowledging the outstanding achievements of our faculty members. Accolades to our teachers. Mrs. Elizabeth, our Tamil teacher, was adjudged as the best teacher by the Excel Padipagam, Erode, and JCI. Mr. Vinod published a book titled Entrepreneurship for Commerce Professionals, and he received the Best Educational Psychologist Award from Kanyakumari. Mr. Vinod, Mr. Mageshwari, and Mrs. Lokashankari received Commerce Guru Award from A.K. Shah CA Foundation, Coimbatore. Mrs. Mageshwari, our economic teacher, received Indian School Best Teacher Award. Mr. Manikavasam, our PET, received the Best Physical Education Teacher Award in the district from the School Education Department, Government of Tamil Nadu. Rotary Club of Salem Wings honored our teachers on the Teachers' Day. Games. The school and government authorities conducted various games and tournaments, providing ample opportunities for Jairam sports enthusiasts to showcase their talent. Our students excel at the zonal, district, state, and national level with some outstanding performance, advancing to national international championships. I am proud to note that our students achieved excellence in diverse games, including running, long jump, kickboxing, wushu, karate, and so on. The academic year 2025-26 was marked by numerous sports activities with our students reaching high standards. Notable achievements include Sudarshan P of standard 11C won first place in the state level 400 meters, first in 400 meters in the CM trophy, winning a cash award of Rs 1 lakh from CM. Will appear for the national level competition at Lucknow in the first week of December, and this is conducted by School Games Federation of India. Lakshana, a talented kickboxer of 10th standard, achieved first place in the state, national, and international level in kickboxing, earning recognition and felicitation from the management for her outstanding efforts. She won bronze medal and a cash award of Rs 50,000 in the Chief Minister's Trophy. She also won Deputy Chief Minister gold medal in boxing recently. Riyan Shika of Standard 6 won Motivational Award and a cash of Rs 2.5 lakhs for her achievements in Wushu Karate. Kho team emerged as the winner in the senior and junior category at zonal level. They were winners at the state level competition conducted at Coimbatore. Sunil, Standard 6 student, won gold medal in swimming at the district level. Jyoti Kavin Modi of Standard 9th also won gold medal in swimming. At this juncture, we'll have to talk about twins, Taman and Darshan, who have done great achievement in Wushu, and they won Chief Minister's cash award of 3 lakhs and 2.5 lakhs respectively. Investiture ceremony at Jairam, we foster holistic development by providing opportunities for academic, co-curricular, extracurricular activities, and leading to the leadership training in an integrated part of our curriculum. The investiture ceremony marked a significant milestone by young leaders from our school took office. The newly elected captain, SPL, Sam Daniel from the Higher Secondary Division, and Sarvesh from the primary section along with their team were installed in their respective positions. The ceremony was marred by even more special by enthusiastic participation of our tiny tots who brought excitement and joy to the event. Annual sports meet. The highly anticipated annual sport meet took place on the 2nd of August, drawing massive crowd of enthusiastic parents. The event was thrilling spectacle showcasing the students' athletic power. Tour and excursion. In August, 200 senior students embarked on an exciting 2-day trip to Vagaman, a hill station in Kerala, and Wonderla, a popular theme park. The outing left an indelible mark on the minds of the children, creating cherished memories. Tamil Literary Club lit the entire campus by organizing various competitions. A gala and spectacular show was performed by the students through dances and sensational debate and so on. Math Expo. It was organized to improve the mental ability and comprehensive skills. Students exhibited and demonstrated amazing projects, working models, and innovative games, and it was really appreciated by the visitors and parents. Science Expo. As a tribute to Honorable Scientist Thiru APJ Abdul Kalam, our former President, Science Expo was inaugurated by our chairman. Several children took part and presented amazing projects with commendable demonstration. Medical camp. Eye and dental camps were organized by the Rotary Club of Salem Wings and our school. Competitions and laurels. Jairam has always believed in encouraging talents and nurturing confidence in their wards. As a result, the students took part in a number of inter-school competitions and it has been always on the increase. This year saw an unprecedented high number in both participation and in success, celebrations and festivals. Birthday of great statesman Kamaraj was observed as Education Development Day. Various competitions were conducted and the winners were awarded prizes and certificates. The 78th Independence Day was celebrated in a grand manner. Various competitions were conducted and the winners were awarded. Vinayaka Chaturthi, Krishna Jayanti, Navaratri and Deepavali celebrations were observed in accord with devotion and our students enjoyed the offerings. Teachers' Day was celebrated in grandeur. Children's Day was celebrated in collaboration with Rotary Club of Salem Wings. Academic Excellence Award. To promote academic excellence, we will conduct a rigorous evaluation comprising of written and oral tests followed by an interview to identify the top performers in each class. The highest achievers in each grade will be honored with Academic Excellence Award, receiving a silver medal and a certificate in recognition of their outstanding performance. Conclusion. As we reflect on the past academic year, though we are halfway through, we express our heartfelt gratitude to the Lord Almighty for His divine presence and blessings. We also acknowledge the invaluable support and guidance provided by our management, without which we wouldn't have achieved all this remarkable success. I extend my sincere appreciation to our chairman and correspondents of the school and the college for their unwavering support, ensuring a successful academic year. I thank all parents for their cooperation and trust in us throughout the year. Our dedicated staff deserve a special recognition for their tireless efforts in helping us achieve our goal. Lastly, I thank each and every one of my beloved students for making this academic year a truly lovable, special one. Thank you all for your presence here. We especially thank Lord for giving us a very good weather. It has been frightening right from the morning, and the weather is good enough that we will carry on with our cultural program. Thank you very much. Teachers would receive the Rotary Club's Best Teacher Award will be coming over here near the stage.
Mrs. Satyabama, Mrs. Elizabeth, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi, Mrs. Abhirami, Mrs. Radha, Mrs. Saravanan, Mrs. Swachasa, Mrs. Rehana Bano, Mrs. Jayanti, Mrs. Purvisha, Mr. Rajendran, Mrs. Evan Rani, Mrs. Shirley, Mr. Balaji, Mrs. Shyamala Sri, Mrs. Gomati, Mrs. Saranya, Mrs. Suguna, Mrs. Rajeshwari, Mrs. Maheshwari, Mrs. Pavitra, Mrs. Gayatri, and Mrs. Logashankari. people get opportunities. Brave people create opportunities. And winners are those who convert problems into opportunities. Jairam not only values the knowledge of the students, but also the intellectual capacity and nurture it through a perfect blend of the traditional as well as the contemporary ways and the means of comprehensive development of students' personality. It's time to acknowledge the talent and intelligence of our brimming students. Prize distribution, first standard.
Yashwin Prabhu, the first prize. Subhashini, the second place. Mitran, second place. Muhammad Nafis, third place. Next, second standard children. Kavisha Shrika, first prize. Dankshita, first prize. Aslan, first prize. Adityan, second place. Sabarish, third. Jaishni, third. Third standard, Harihara Sudan, first prize. Neeraja, second prize. Anifa Fatima, third prize. Next, fourth standard, Samshita Shri, first prize. Dilipan, second prize. Danchika, third prize. Fifth standard, Sharmita, first prize. Iva Krishna, first prize. Sana, second prize. Darshan, third prize. Vishan, third prize. Sixth A, Samiksha, first prize. Teja Shri, second prize. Danush, third prize. 6th B, Harshadan, Sri Vaishnavi, Jiva. Seventh A, Samruta first prize, Adesh second prize, Sujaya third prize. Seventh B, Krishna first prize, Pratikshan second prize, Mohammad Fasil third prize, Tanish third prize. Seventh C, Hari Srinivas first prize, Gautam Sistad second prize, Mahashri third prize. Eighth A, Deekshna Shri first prize, Nehita Shri second prize, Yashika third prize. Eighth B, Karthik first prize, Yashi Shri second prize, Sanjit third prize. Ninth A, Alia first prize, Ritika third prize. Ninth B, Ridhanya first prize, Dhanya Shri second prize, Amina third prize. Ninth C, Sam Daniel Raja first prize, Nitya Shri second prize, Siddhika third prize. Soundarya first prize, Kavya Darshini second prize, Srimati third prize. Ten B, Pooja Shri first prize, Pavishka second prize, Mayariva third prize. Nitish first prize, Shafiq Maidin third prize. Siddharth Raghav first prize, Jeevita second prize, Sri Vidya third prize. 11B, Darshit Rishi first prize, Surya second prize, Vimal third prize. Mohammad Kamil first prize, Bhavadarini second prize, Ishwar Krishna third prize. Gokul first prize, Diksha second prize, Kalimuddin third prize. Pratiksha first prize, Abhishek M second prize, Mayavan third prize. C, Ujjwal first prize, Vaishnavi second prize, Caroline Rani third prize.
Let us acknowledge the presence of CBSE Principal Sir, Xavier Sir, Correspondent Ma'am, Padma Shri Ma'am. Welcome. Next on stage we have Wushu performers, CM Trophy winners, Darshan and Taman. Both have won 4 medals and 2 silver medals and 1 bronze medal and a cash award of rupees 7 lakhs from Chief Minister. Next, I call upon Sudarshan of Standard 11, who has achieved CM Trophy State Level Gold Medal in 400 meters and cash award of rupees 1 lakh and gold medal in State Level School Republic Day Sports Meet 400 meters and Open State Relay Award, bronze medal, and is going to attend the National Meet School Game Federation of India in Lucknow in December. Next, I call upon Lakshana of Standard 10B, who has achieved CM Trophy State Level Bronze Medal with a cash award of 50,000. And she is a kickboxer and has won the Super League State Level and achieved silver medal with a cash award of rupees 10,000. Riyanshika of 6A has achieved state level and national level games and achieved 3 gold and 2 silver and got a cash award of rupees 3,50,000 from CM in Wushu. I take pride in introducing the Coco team, who has achieved the state level gold medal and trophy, and it's under 40 junior. Sam Daniel, Raja, Kanish KS, Esran Raja, Pranesh S, Rahul KS, Rushant TV, Lakshita RR, Mohammad Kamis, Sanjit, Ashwin, Sanjay, Praveen Sam, and Kartivel. Audience, please give them a good round of applause. Under 17 senior team, even they have achieved the state level gold medal and trophy. The captain Shri Haran of Standard 12, Taman, Dakshan, Shri Kumaran, Sailesh, Pavitran, Gokulanand, Kaven, Tamalamudan, Srinivas, Pranesh and Roshan. I call upon Jyoti Kavanmuri, state level championship at swimming, Pin State Aquatic Championship, and she is selected for national level. She has won 3 gold medals and 1 silver medal. Individual championship trophy too. CM Trophy, district gold, silver. Sunil S of 6th standard, RDS district gold, silver and bronze medal, district aquatic championship. Arena Sports Academy has blessed him with bronze medal and CM Trophy district. Yoga, second international yoga competition 2021 was held at Tirupur, in which our children had took part and won first, second and the third place. First place, Tejashri, second, Siddharth Vishnu, and third, Kaushik. Khel Ratna Book of World Record held at Kallakurchi, and Mohammad Rahman has bagged a prize. Nobel World Record held at Tenkasi, Mohammad Rahman, Selva Balan and V.S. Kaushik has achieved. National level Yoga Open Championship was held at Vellore, in which our children took part and won first, second, third place respectively. Yeah, it's time to felicitate our teachers A number of private institutions have identified and honored them with awards. First, I'd like to call upon Vinod sir, educational psychologist. Excellence educator. Next, I call upon Maheshwari ma'am. Robo Champs presented Indian School Awards for excellence in teaching. J.K. Shah, Varna Enterprises presented Commerce Guru Excellence Award at Coimbatore. And Chilata Events Associate with the Lincoln Book of Records presented Manbuvigo Asan. Next, I call upon Loga Shankari, who has received the Best Teacher Award, Commerce Guru Excellence Award from J.K. Shah for outstanding contribution in Computer Application Department. She is also conferred with Manbuvigo Asan Award from Talent India, national level recognition conducted by Chilata Events associated with Lincoln Book of Records. E-Road Excel Publishers with JCI has identified Elizabeth as one of the best teachers among 12,000 teachers. Next, B. Manika Vasagam, our PE sir, was recognized as Best Physical Education Teacher in our district by the School Education Department, Government of Tamil Nadu, and is honored with a shield and certificate. It's time for fun and frolic.
The ultimate task of any occasion is to express thanks. It is a word that makes happy both the giver and the receiver. It is our duty to thank you all for your presence. First of all, I express my hearty thanks to our chief guest, our chairman, sir. It is gratifying that he has spared his special seconds amidst us. Thank you, sir, for the human service extended to the student community. Next, I thank our correspondent, sir, for having provided a broad space to exhibit our feats and endeavor for the future accomplishment. I thank the special guest, Dr. Palnisamy, sir, the principal of Jairam Arts and Science College. I thank the special guest, Mr. Paul Francis Xavier, sir, the principal of Jairam Public School. I stretch my hands to thank our teachers who are our mentors with delicate and sincerity. I thank our parents who has always been a part of our campus in rendering their support and effort for the well-being of the school and the student. I extend my thanks to my fellow students for their edifying support. Last but not least, I extend my thanks to the non-teaching staff, technicians, aunties, and everyone present in this campus for their presence and service. Thank you one and all.